Let's say you have a PDF, maybe an invoice, report or certificate, and you need to add your own stamp on it. Doing that online can be risky or time consuming. So today, I'll show you how to stamp your PDF safely and easily using Systweak PDF Editor, a trusted offline tool that keeps your documents secure while making editing simple. First, download and install Systweak PDF Editor using the link given in the description below. It's a completely safe offline PDF tool and that's why we'll be using it in this video. Now open Systweak PDF Editor, click on Open PDF, select the document you want to stamp and click Open. This will load your PDF into the editor. If you want to add the default stamps, you can go to the Comment tab, then click on Stamp. From here, click on drop-down menu and choose any of the default stamps available. Place it anywhere on your PDF and you're done. But if you want to add your own custom stamp, follow these steps. To do this, click on the Add Custom Stamp button here. If you like, you can type your own custom text here. And from these templates, you can pick the stamp style you want. If you want to use your own image as a stamp, choose Image Stamp in the stamp type, then click Browse and pick the image you want to use. Just type a name for your stamp and it will be saved so you can use it again later. After that, click OK. The stamp will stick to your cursor and you can click anywhere to place it exactly where you want. You can change the size of the stamp by dragging from the corners. You can also move it to any spot you like. Once you are happy with the placement, click on the Save icon at the top to save your changes. Click OK when prompted. Now open the updated PDF and there is your stamp perfectly added to your document. And that's it. Stamping your PDF is that simple with Systweak PDF Editor. No online uploads, no watermarks, no hassle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple and useful tech tutorials. Also, comment below if you face any issue while following these steps. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.